Well,
amazing picture too.
Jake looks like a monkey. And I do not him anymore. Oh yeah, I drew this. Like, see, I see, look, it's like professionally made. Love for all of you that cannot read. But yeah. Jake, here, let me see your phone, Nessa. I'm gonna show everybody what Jake looks like after, okay? I'll show you what Jake looks like. He looks like a fucking monkey. I'm Jake. Hopefully he sees this too on YouTube. I will.
How you gonna? Tell him to go on Omegle or something.
I'll tell him to go on like, I don't know.
Booger.com.
Did you know that there's a thing called Tinkle Online? I have an account on it. I can't even remember what it was. Tinkle Online. Hey, does anyone go on Tinkle Online?
You guys want to tinkle with me online?
I do. Tinkle. So guys, yeah, school's out. I'm so happy. No more Miss Moore. That kid's laugh is so dumb.
Yeah.
Nathan, sounds like a horse. Are you done texting, Nessa?
No.
Hurry up, because I want to throw them a Jake looks like that monkey. That guy doesn't even know. Jake doesn't even know if he looks like a monkey or not. Were you crying? You were laughing so hard you were crying?
No.
I've done that.
Remember I put juice on my nose?
Jizz on my nose. Jizz on my nose. Okay, I better stop that.
Juice on my nuts?
Got some jizz on my nuts.
I miss the toilet.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Mom? Yeah. I kinda had a little accident. I kinda jizzed on the toilet seat. Sorry! Haha, funny. Okay, you guys gonna see what Jake looks like. Doesn't he look like a monkey?
What should I say?
You look like a monkey from Tiana. Do it. I deserve a right to say he looks like a monkey.
I'm like, you look gay.
Don't you guys think I deserve a right to say he looks like a monkey?
Come on.
Well, I have a song I'm gonna play. I'm gonna talk to you at the same time. What?
Sky, if you came here, he's gonna take us to Dairy Queen.
That's like a 20-minute drive away.
Yeah, I know. Hey, I told him that.
Tell him to go get the Dairy Queen for us and bring it to us. Better.
I feel bad. Why don't you just go get some Dairy Queen?
If you guys like Dairy Queen, like this video. For sure.
What should I say?
Tell him to go get Dairy Queen and bring it to us.
Bring it to us. And then we can chill for a bit, and after we're done our food, bye. It's bedtime.
Love.
I wear love around my wrist.
I do.
Mm.
For a minute there, I looked like Tyra Sadwick.
Who's that?
Tyra, you know that
Yeah,
fat,
look
the
at
gross
Jake's
chick.
body.
Guys, gonna see Jake's body now. Not me. That's his body. Now we just gotta see his legs and see if he has a tail.
Tim, I should have legs.
Do it. Because then you'll see the whole body of Jake, the monkey.
And his arms and his fingers and his
toes and what's under his pants. No, joking. Joking. I wouldn't put that on a video. What are you talking about?
I would.
I'm not wearing any makeup today. Ugh.
I am.
It's one day that I'm not wearing makeup.
I make videos.
So.
And I got new shoes.
I should put makeup on after this and then make a video.
Tell the guy to bring it to us.
Good idea.
He's like, it'd be cold or melted by then.
Cold or melted?
But he can buy us whatever we want.
Tell him to buy me like the biggest meal there.
We have to go with him though. That's catch.
He's like, how old?
I don't know, 20. 21.
I don't know. I don't think my mom would agree with that.
Why?
Because she doesn't know him. She doesn't know him.
She didn't know Bob. Bob was like old and you could tell he was old.
I don't know. It depends.
I'm gonna go ask her, okay?
Okay. You go. Oh, I got dice.
I'll tell you exactly what she says.
You should like record it.
No.
Yeah, that'd be funny.
Well, you can come and ask her later if she said that.
It's been 7 minutes and 16 seconds. It's been so long. I haven't even like stopped the video. But I kind of should, but I shouldn't, because this is a really long video and gonna make more. So well, I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.